Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to change this navigation bar with buttons to the gestures. All you have to do is simply enter the settings, and in this device we've got a special section called navigation bar. So let's enter, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. We've got 3-button navigation, which is right now obviously applied. What's more, you've got the settings icon, you can tap on it, and here you can change the position of particular buttons. So let me leave it like this, and in order to set the gestures, just tap on this option, and since it is marked, you can see that actually it has been immediately applied. We can also choose the settings right here, and we can choose the back sensitivity. I will set it on almost high. Let's tap on it. It means that you won't have to tap right here in order to get back. I will show you. Just tap on OK. So if we've got it, we can now learn how to use it. Obviously, here we've got the animation, but I will show you. So first of all, let's get back to the previous settings. All we have to do is simply swipe the finger from the edge, from the left or right edge, it doesn't matter, and just swipe it. As you can see, we've got the arrow, and after releasing our finger, we can go back to the settings. Let's enter something, and let me show you from the other side the same situation. So in order to get back to the home page, all you have to do is simply swipe your finger quite fastly, just like that. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page. In order to open the recents, we have to swipe our finger up and hold it somewhere here. So just do it slowly, and here we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to set the gestures as a navigation in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.